Good day to everyone. This is Sir A. Ngayon naman ang gagawin natin is kung paano mag-create ng award notice. So nung nakaraan, nakapag-post tayo ng request for quotation sa PhilJeps and then nakapag-evaluate tayo ng mga submitted quotations sa ating email address at ang ating Bids and Awards Committee ay nag-evaluate ng mga submitted quotations and nakapag-come up ng back resolution kung kaninong uh, supplier i-award yung ating procurement. At ngayon nga ay maggagawa tayo ng award notice sa PhilJeps. Kung paano, pupunta ulit tayo sa login as buyer and then make sure you use the correct user ID at password and then log in. Then dito makikita nyo na meron tayong pending task, bid notices for award shortlisting. So i-click lang natin ito. And then makikita natin itong ating quotation or posting. So yung procurement for the 5 units of 3-in-1 printer with scanner. And then after that, pupunta tayo ngayon dito sa bidders list. And then i-click natin add from DRL. So dito, yung nanalong bidder natin. So base sa ating back resolution, ang nanalo ay Cristora Enterprises. So isa-select mo lang siya and then click submit. And then isa-select natin Cristora Enterprises and then create award notice. And then dito, lalabas yung award type. Sabi natin dito, award notice. And then, ang contract amount ay 52,000 pesos. And then, ang award date ay March 18. And then, reason for award, siya ang lowest and responsive bidder. Lowest and responsive bidder. And then, click save. So makikita natin dito sa award notice list na nasa in preparation yung ating 3-in-1 printer with scanner. So just click this one. And then click edit. And then click yes. So just click select UNSPSC. And then pwede natin i-type printer. And then click search. So pumunta tayo sa computer printers. And then select natin inkjet printer. And then click attach. And then click save and continue. And then after that, pwede na tayong mag-upload ng relevant documents. So i-click natin upload relevant documents. And then mag-attach tayo ng back resolution. Click add file. Back resolution number 2025-0301. And then click open. And then click submit. Then click yes. And then click save. And then click notice of award. And then click add. And then click add file. And then i-attach natin ang notice of award sa Cristora Enterprises. Click open. Then click submit. And then click yes. And then click save. And then after that, select the notice of award, select the back resolution, click accept. And then click close. After uploading the notice of award and the back resolution documents, Make sure na tama ang ating mga details dito, kung kanino i-award, ano ang reason for award, lowest calculated and responsive bidder, the award date, and the contract amount. And then click Save. And then click Yes. And then, okay. Then go back again. And then from the award notice list, i-select natin yung ating ginawang award notice. And then, once na lahat ng details ay okay na, click Post Award. And then, click Yes. Ito ang procedure kung paano magawa ng award notice sa winning bidder dito sa ating ginawang quotations sa PhilJeps. So makikita natin yung award date, March 18, at na-publish date siya ngayong araw na ito, March 19.